Assalamu alaikum. Welcome my dear students. Welcome my online class. Hi, I am Omar Farooq, assistant teacher in English, run the Gov Pilot High School, Sharonkhula, Bhagirhat. Today I am going to take an online class, and this online class is very important for class 8, 9 and 10. Okay, my dear students, are you ready for the class? If you need any kinds of rules or any kinds of information, you will take down on your notebook. Okay, today I will discuss an important topic which is called narration. Do you know what is narration? Okay, my dear student, narration is an expression which is expressed by the speaker is called narration. We also know there are two kinds of narration, direct narration and indirect narration. What is direct narration and what is indirect narration? Direct narration is speech spoken directly by the speaker is called direct narration, and indirect narration is speech spoken indirectly by another person is called indirect narration. How will we identify which is direct narration and which is indirect narration? Follow me, my dear students. He said, comma, inverted comma, I go home. Here speech spoken directly by the speaker, and next sentence he said that he went home. Here speech spoken indirectly by another person, and this is indirect narration. And there are another feature to identify which is direct and which is indirect. Indirect speech there remains comma and inverted comma, and there are two parts of direct speech. One is reporting speech, another is reported speech inside the inverted comma. And we also say in the reported speech first word or is started with capital letter. This way we can identify which is direct speech and which is indirect speech. Okay, my dear students, if you want to change or if you want to convert from direct to indirect, you have to know the changing rules of person, you have to know the changing rules of verbs, and you have to identify the sentences. Otherwise you can't change from direct to indirect. First I will discuss how to identify the sentences. Okay, my dear students, follow me. We also know there are 5 kinds of sentence: assertive, interrogative, imperative, optative and exclamatory sentence. Even how can we identify which is assertive sentence, which is interrogative, which is imperative and which is optative and exclamatory? Follow me. Assertive sentence is started with subject, then remains verb, and there will be extension at the end of the sentence, there will be full stop. And interrogative sentence first started with auxiliary verb or WH question, and at the end of the sentence there will be question mark. And imperative sentence is started with main verb or let, and at the end of the sentence there will be full stop. Optative sentence is started with may or long, and here expresses prayer or blessing, and at the end of the sentence there will be full stop. And exclamatory sentence is started with how and what, and at the end of the sentence there will be note of exclamation. This way we can easily identify which is assertive sentence, which is interrogative, imperative, optative and exclamatory. If you need, you will take a screenshot to make out later. Okay, my dear student, take a screenshot. Okay, my dear students, now I will discuss about the person and how will it change. Okay, follow me, my dear students. At first, subject, object and possessive. I, me, my, we, us, our. These are first person. You, you, your. It is second person. He, him, his. She, her, her. They, them, their. These are third person. Dear students, we can know these are first person, you, your are second person, he, him, his, she, her, and they, them, their. These are third person. A first person of reported speech will be changed with subject of reporting verb. Okay, my dear student, I first person will be changed with subject, and second person of reported speech will be changed with object of reporting speech, and third person will be no change. This way we can change the person from direct to indirect, and I will elaborately how it changes. Okay, my dear students, next I will discuss about the changing rule of verb. Finally, I will discuss verb and how will it be changed. Follow, my dear students, follow me, and I will apply an easy technique, and without knowing the tense, how can it change from direct to indirect. Okay, my dear students, direct speech, if the verb is V1, means go or goes, then it becomes V2, and here go or goes is a symbolic verb, and does not becomes did not. If the verb V2, indirect speech will be had plus V3, had gone. Here went is a symbolic verb, and am, is, are becomes was, were, have, has becomes had, was, were becomes had been, shall, should, will, would, can, could, may, might, must or had to. By applying this process, you can easily change the verb, and if you need the structure, you will take a screenshot. Okay, my dear students. Okay, my dear students, now I will discuss the assertive sentence and how can change assertive sentence from direct to indirect. Okay, follow me. I write a sentence. He said to me, comma, I have done it. Inverted comma and comma. First we have to notice in the inverted comma what is this sentence. Okay, my dear students, I have done it. It is assertive sentence, and in assertive sentence subject then remains verb, and at the end of the sentence there will be full stop This way we can know, but we can learn this is assertive sentence. Okay, follow me how it convert. And there are three rules to change assertive sentence from direct to indirect. Said or said to. Okay, my dear students, in direct speech, instead of said or said to, you will use said or told. Okay, he told me. Next, instead of comma and inverted comma, you will use that. Then person or person and tense change. Okay, my dear students, follow me. Here I is a first person and first person will be changed with subject of reporting speech, and second person of reported speech will be changed with object of reporting speech, and third person no change. Okay, follow me. Here I is subjective form and he will be subjective form, and have becomes had. This way we can easily change it. Okay, next I will show you another example. Follow me. He said to me, I was doing my duty. Okay, my dear students, follow me. Instead of said or said to, we will use said or told. Instead of comma and inverted comma, we will use that. First person of reported speech will be changed with subject. Here I is subjective form and he will be subjective form, and was, were becomes had been doing, and my is also first person and it is possessive case, and first person will be changed with subject. Here it is possessive form and he will be possessive form, and this way we can change easily from direct to indirect. Okay, my dear student, next class I will discuss about interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, optative sentence and exclamatory sentence. Stay with me, stay home, save life, stay with books for better result. Okay, thank you very much.